Hey, JT, I fixed the oil. Who's it? CT. JT, I fixed the oil filter adapter. I cleaned off any leaks oil that was left around. I drove the Jeep. The next day, saw there was a leak coming from a rubber plug where rear main is. Any thoughts? Yes, that's the same. That's just residual. I had a Jeep come in. The guy went and bought a freaking rear main seal. He gonna give me a rear main seal. Tell me, here's how much you charge me to put this on. Like, dude, it's not your problem. Okay, it's a 3.6, and I know exactly the plugs you're talking about. It just plugs out the transmission. That's there for when somebody getting ready to remove the transmission. They can stick a socket up there and take those 10mm bolts out. The rubber plugs are not your problem. The leak is either residual leak or you still got a leak from high ups. I wouldn't want to think you still have a leak. You just could never clean all of that off. Who's that, CT? Yeah, you can never get it all off, okay? So don't expect because you clean it off, it should never be there again. No, the residual that's up there is still working its way down, okay? Now, I tend to take my stuff to the detail and spray it from the top and try. Again, that's all you're doing is trying because you never get it all off. You will never make that clean. So you can try. You can do it some more, do it again, and recheck. But don't put too much thought into a drip of oil on that rubber because it's just residual, my man. Yes, it has been a lot of us. All right. I wouldn't put too much thinking. Same vehicle, Wrangler. Yes, if Joe, this guy, I'm not finna tell you. In order to do a rear main seal on that, the transmission has to come out. And it's a one-piece retainer with the rear main seal in it. So the only way to get that out is to, yes, the transmission got to come out. No. All right, that wasn't having that. All right.